Founders and affiliates await the outcome of those who filled out their applications. What should be welling in all of us is the eager anticipation of being selected as pioneers of this transformative platform called victoryWithAsh. Mr. Mufareh could have named this platform another name, but he chose to name it victoryWithAsh. What an honor! Mr. Mufareh is a very successful visionary who has chosen to share his success with others. The very first word is victory. How significant is that word, and why did he choose that word? A mission to empower. Mr. Ash Mufareh's stated goal is to create powerful AI-driven tools that provide an equal fighting opportunity for online businesses of all sizes to succeed. This suggests a foundational philosophy of empowering others. Focus on financial freedom. His work is described as a means to provide complete financial freedom for the entire life to its members. The name Victory could be a direct reference to achieving this ultimate goal of financial independence. He will teach founders and affiliates what it took him to reach the pinnacle of the success he has achieved. The value of resilience. Victory implies overcoming obstacles, aligning with his vision. Very soon, sometime this Friday, October 10th, 2025, founders and affiliates will know who qualified to step into the brilliance of what Mr. Mufareh and his technology teams have built for us. Remember, this is the beginning and turning point for all very fortunate founders and affiliates. This is the staging platform before going into the new company. Do you remember what Mr. Mufareh said about the old OES? He said that the O-News 16 would be the last use of the old company's ecosystem. This time, we will receive communication through something that is better, safer, and more secure. Let's see. He is going to give us, founders and affiliates, the next instructions. He isn't going to reveal those instructions publicly. We will have pertinent and sensitive data telling us what we need to do for the building of our businesses. There isn't anything that's safer and more secure than what we will be given while learning in the victoryWithAsh powerful platform. Imagine being in a leak-proof learning environment, trusting everyone in there because of those who qualify. Nothing could be better, except the new company that we are preparing for will dwarf victoryWithAsh Mufareh's platform, in our opinion. Mr. Mufareh said that what he and his technology teams created will surprise and shock us. TikTok.